DS diving service here. It is March 13th, 2024. We had a diver out on March 11th, 2024, and we cleaned Bulls Bay, a vessel at slip 46. But the diver did have camera issues and he had light issues. So I'm just expecting her and getting a video. If she needs any touch up, I will be doing that while here. Especially considering that his light broke. A little bit of touch up. Let's keep looking. Now we're finding quite a bit. I'm actually going to go get my hookah line and just go over this boat again. Still safe for not having a light. He did a pretty good job. If any of you guys wonder why I insist on videos every time, because when I don't get videos, I need to go put my eyes on it, and this is an example of why. I'm going to get you all cleaned up. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.